Alright. Put the hook in there. End of the line. Through the hole. The other end. Just down far enough. Put it on. Wrap it coming down. About 7 times. Stop. Just pull the line through. And boom. Get yourself a snarl. Now if you want to do a second hook, put it in. There's where I got my other hook. Boom. You just kind of stick that up through here. Line that up. 2, 3, 4, 7. Just keep that from twisting up. Bam. You know, sometimes they come out a little twisted. Just a little twist and it's nice and straight.